The Marchioness Disaster was a collision between two vessels on the River Thames in London in the early hours of 20 August 1989, which resulted in the deaths of 51 people. The pleasure steamer Marchioness sank after being hit twice by the dredger Bowbelle at about 1:46 a.m. between Cannon Street Railway Bridge and Southwark Bridge. Marchioness had been hired for the evening for a birthday party and had about 130 people on board, 4 of whom were crew and bar staff. Both vessels were heading downstream against the tide, Bowbelle traveling faster than the smaller vessel. Although the exact paths taken by the ships and the precise series of events and their locations are unknown, the subsequent inquiry considered it likely that Bowbelle struck Marchioness from the rear, causing the latter to turn to port, where she was hit again, then pushed along, turning over and being pushed under Bowbelle's bow. It took 30 seconds for Marchioness to sink. 24 bodies were found within the ship when it was raised. An investigation by the Marine Accident Investigation Branch blamed a lack of lookouts, but their report was criticized by the families of the victims as the MAB had not interviewed anyone on Marchioness or Bowbelle but relied on police interviews. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.